Okay, YouTube, we have a John Deere 240 skid steer here, and the latch broke to hold the rear access door on. So what we're going to do is take a hood strap off a big truck, $3.50, mount it here next to the exhaust, and then onto the door here to hold it shut. Wham bam, simple, because to fix this latch would be a pain in the ass. Plus this rear access door is bent, so I mean it's just a beater. So all right, we're gonna get out of here. So basically we're just gonna go right there. So get that punch and do that top hole there.
Got it?
All right. Can we see it? Yeah, all right. All right, so get a little drill bit and drill a starter hole, and then we'll get it drilled out. We'll stick a rivet in there just to hold it, then we'll mark the back, drill it. All right. Make sure you run it up and down a couple times to clean that hole up. There you go. All right, perfect. All right, let's set this pig in there. Here, you do it. All right, now flip your, and then you should be able to, actually you should be able to just drill that with 3/16 since it's fiberglass. You're gonna be able to get your drill in there. I should have brought my right angle with.
It's going to be at a bit of an angle if I do it this way.
Well, that's all right. Come on, drill it. Don't be scared of it. Good job. Yeah, get that. You're going to have to work that bitch down in there. Hey, pup. Hey, puppy. All right, go ahead. There you go. Make sure you get that all the way down. All right, do her again. Beauty. I think your bit sucks.
Probably.
But you still gotta.
You'll get it here.
Of course, when you drill metal too, it depends on the metal, but the slower the speed, too high a speed, and then it burns the tip. So, all right, now 3/16. Say hi to the girls. All right, girls. All right, go on. Don't push so hard, man.
I'm not even pushing, Dad. Relax.
Put it on reverse. Put it on forward, go through there, good. You want to just light down there.
Yeah, Dad.
All right, that's good. You don't want a sloppy hole like your old lady's got. Go on.
It's the last time you had to help me with anything.
Now that's the way to drill a hole.
Exactly how I did it before, Dad.
All right, let's rivet that thing on there and come on, get the rivets.
Shut the hell up.
Hey, I got limited memory on my camera. Plus, I want to get out there and help your cousin, so I can get back and help your mother. Jesus.
You have the other rivet. You grabbed it and did something with it.
I thought you had 5 rivets.
All right. Well, you had the other one that I brought with. Okay.
You didn't bring all 5 fucking rivets
We
with.
didn't need 5 rivets.
Just leave this out here and rivet it in. 1 extra freaking rivet is that big of a freaking deal to bring.
I didn't think we needed it. Okay.
What a moron. You gotta have that other rivet.
Well,
All right, we'll be back.
Up 1 rivet.
All right, so we got that riveted on there. Here, try closing that now. Hold on. Look at that shite. Eh? Easy peasy. Yep. I think she'd be good. All right, that's it. Like with the rivets, like a $4.50 fix. Okay, so you can see the latch we made is working like a champ. That's a bang up job. But after we did that, then the one of the radiator lines busted. Fix that, and then get that fired up, and all of a sudden one of the injectors was leaking. Got that fixed, and now one of the fuel lines going to the first injector was just spraying freaking diesel everywhere. So that's taken care of, but so that'd be that. Good times, yay. All right, see ya, bitches.